Hello everyone, we're here from this one in this analyze of these games in FIDE Grand Swiss 2025. Today is round number 5, so first by Open Swiss and Mill Division. So how many clocks here by interchange clocks within 1 hour, 40 minutes and 30 seconds increment because there's the clocks by interchange by Open Swiss but the Mill divisions. So in this today's round number 5, and also have a between from this grandmaster in France is Marc Marizi. So same by name is Mark. My name is Mark. So it means without same by Mark because Mark was a chess master in France. So he was a focusing by tournament by chess. And also have a versus from this grandmaster in Germany is Vincent Keimer. So Vincent, he was a super master in this one in this chess in Germany. So in this part of this videos here in this round number 5, and also have a analyze of the standings after round number 5 in Open Swiss by Mill division. So white plays Mark, is e4, c5 Vincent, knight f3, d6 is called Sicilian defense. So these are the main lines here by used by e6 or knight c6. So these are the main lines. So Vincent moved by d6. So without d6 by Vincent and also d4, captured exchange variation by Sicilians, and also knight f6 and also bishop d3. So it means, so why don't we move try this knight to c3? So knight c3 here. So these are the focusing. So it means, so marked by choosing by bishop d3 book lines here. And also knight c6 by counters attacks the knights. And decided bishop e3 without develops by knights or defense. Or without not yet by preparing castling by Mark. So these are the same by Mark. So Mark by words here. And also knight g4, very strongest by master by Keimer. So without Vincent. Or knight without threats attacks the counters attacks the bishops here. And also knight is captured, pawn takes, and also bishop backwards t2 without no more by without counters attacks the knights. So these are no more counters attacks or without backwards. So these are the connecting. And also rook b8, without threats the pawns. So these are the idea by threats the pawns. And also castle kingside by Mark, and also e5, and also b3 by no more by captured the rook takes pawn, and also bishop e7 by Vincent without upcoming by castling by Keimer. And also c4, castling by Keimer, and also knight c3, bishop e6 without bishop pairs. So these are the bishop pairs here by according by 1972 by Bobby Fischer. So these are the super grandmaster. And also h3 without threats the without eliminates the knights here. So threat the knights here, and also knight backwards f6 here, and also queen e2, and also knight d7. So these are the without move by knight to c5 or by counters attacks the bishop. So these are the connecting. And also rook ed1, and also knight c5 by Vincent without counters attacks the tempos attacks the bishop, and decided bishop backwards. So these are a out of this booklet by Mark. So it means these are novelty by according by recordingchess.com. So these are the all main lines here by according by 1972 is pawn to f4 by number 10 by game 4. So these are f4 pawns. So according by 1972 by game 4 between from this Grandmaster Bobby Fischer versus Grandmaster Boris Paki. So these are the according by this research. So it means so f4 is a old main lines by recording. So new novelty by backwards bishop c2. So it means out of this booklet by Mark here, and also pawn a5 without move by here by a4 without threats the pawns here, and also pawn f4. These are the found of this booklet. So these are the according by 1972 by Grandmaster Bobby Fischer. So I love my favorite players. This one by Grandmaster Bobby Fischer. So it means these are the old memories, and also captured. So it means that's not one of this computer by captured by Gamer. So the best moves there, the currency move is queen to b6. So etc etc. These are the slightly advantage from these blocks here. So slightly advantage. So back there, this one is captured pawns, and also bishop takes captured, and also a4 very strongest by Gamer, and decided this one push e5 without counters by push. So it means bad move by Mark. So the best moves there is knight takes captured pawns. So if you captured, knight takes captured, and also captured. So these are the slightly advantage here by white. So these are the ugliness pawn structure here. So back there, this one is e5 by Mark here, and also so avoid capture this one. So these are the rook captured queens. So these are a troubles. So troubles from this one, and also captured, and also pawn d5. So it means these are no more captured, so need more push semi-close, and also queen f3, and also knight takes captured. So wait, so it means knight takes captured sacrifice. So knight takes captured without sacrifice by Vincent Gamer, and also captured. So in idea, why don't we captured? So what do you think on this one? And also rook takes captured. Threats the knights. So it means do not capture the bishop takes captured knight. These are a troubles. So decided this one is captured by Mark, and also captured, and also knight takes captured without threats the bishop. With the idea by threats the bishop, or these are the bishop captured the knights. So these are a connecting, and also decided Gamer by Vincent Gamer is bishop takes captured. So if you capture this, bishop takes queen, and rook takes queen. These are the connecting here by saying by without both by queens here, and also rook takes captured. With the idea by attacks the queens. So threats the queens here, and also good move queen b6 by Gamer without check. So without check, and also king h2. Another excellent good move is knight d4. So it means good move. So the guessing puzzle, what do you think the best move are? Idea by GM Mark by France. So what do you think if you sacrifice by captured? So guessing puzzles. So while waiting for a couple of seconds, and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here, and congrats for everyone. Boom! Bishop takes captured. Check. So it means sacrifice. So it means so the knights without threats the queens. Without queens. So it means these are the bishop without check. So these are the check. And decided by Vincent by king takes captured sacrifice. and also queen e4 check. So queen e4 check and also queen g6 without queen to queen. And decided ignoring queen takes captured knight. And also rook fd8 without rook to rook. And also rook f3. So in idea, why don't we rook takes captured? How do you think from this? How do you think? So how do you think from this one and also rook takes captured? So these are the easy good examples here. So easy good examples. So back to this one is rook f3 and also queen e6 targets the rooks and decided accepting rook takes threats the queens. Oh, the threats eliminates the queens here from this one. And also decided by Mark is queen e4 check and also king g8 and also rook c3 and also queen d5 without queen to queen. In accept Mark queen takes rook takes. Oh, without idea by check. So check by targets the check. So check here and also decided marked by idea by rook c8 check and also rook d8 captured. Oh, so these are the same by dark coloring bishop. So these are the same dark so slightly by same dark coloring bishop here. So it means so 3 pawns by Mark and 2 pawns by Vincent Gamer, 3 versus 2, because these are 1 pawn down by Gamer. And also king g3 and also g6, pawn h4 and also f6. So it means bad move by Vincent Gamer. So the best moves there, this one is bishop to c7. So bishop c7 here. So these are the advantage from these blocks here. So slightly advantage here from this one. So back there, this one is f6 by sacrifice by Gamer. So not sacrifice, it's not about sacrifice by pawns. And also good move is push e6. So it means, so what do you think? Why don't we capture this pawn? Oh, because these are the pushes by e6 by good move here. And also decided this one is king f8 and also king g4. So it means, so question mark bad move by Mark here. So the best moves there, this one is bishop to d6 check. So bishop d6. So these are the slightly advantage and decided backwards by king to g8. So easy advantage here by good examples here. So back there, this one is king g4 and also king e7. So it means the miss move by Vincent Gamer, the miss moves is king to e8. So king e8 here. So see, these are the good slightly advantage here by blacks here. So slightly advantage here. So back there, this one is king e7 here, and also good move by Mark is pawn h5 and also captured by check. And also another good move is king f5 without good move by Mark here, and also bishop to a5. So these are the problems low evaluation bar by black pieces here. So it means that the best moves here, is bishop to b6. So bishop b6 here. So these are the advantage from these blocks here. So back there, this one is bishop a5 by Gamer and also bishop e3, bishop c3 and also bishop c5 check, and also king e8 here, and also king g6 and also pawn h4 and also bishop to f2. bishop f2. So it means these are the bishop f2 by Mark. So these are the threatening the pawns. So these are the attacks, the counters attacks, and also bishop b2. Wait. So it means so bishop b2. So these are the lowest evaluation bar. So lowest evaluation bar here. So the best moves there. This one is king to f8. So etc etc. These are the slightly advantage here. So back there, this one is bishop b2 and also bishop x captured. Oh, so 2 pawns by 2 pawns by Mark and 1 pawn by Vincent Kramer, 2 versus 1. So bishop takes h4 and also king e7. Excuse me, I'm sorry, I got sore throat. So it means king e7 without attacks the pawns. So king strats the pawns here. And also good move is king f5 without defense the pawns, and also bishop d4 and also bishop e7, bishop b2, bishop b4 check, and also king a8, bishop c5, bishop c3, bishop e3, king e7, and also bishop to h6, bishop e1, and also bishop g7, bishop h4, and also bishop backwards h8, and also bishop g5, and also so the last move here, pawn g3. So it means so cannot do it by black pieces, so no more by moving the bishop. So it means resigns by Grandmaster Vincent Kramer in Germany. So why he resigns? Because so if you move by bishop to e3, only move here by Vincent Kramer, and also bishop takes capture check. So if you move by king to e8 and also pawn e7, so if you move by king to e7 here, and also king to g6, so if you moving by bishop to c5, so if you move by bishop to c5 and also king to f7, so if you move by bishop backwards a3 and also promotes the e8 queen without check, so it means so fatal unstoppable by promotes the queen, so it means lose by blacks here. So the score by white pieces by Grandmaster Mark 93.8, and the score by Grandmaster Vincent Kramer is 88.7. So the winner from this round number 5 Open Swiss Grandmaster Mark Maurici. Congratulations. So I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luwagi 17, aka Mark 17. Have a good day and keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Have a good day, happy Thursday, and bye bye.